How to add multiple videos on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to add multiple videos on TikTok. So first you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in TikTok. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page and open up our TikTok application. And on the bottom part, you will see a plus sign there. You click on that. And then on the right side, you will see the upload icon there beside the play button on of TikTok. Click on that. Now you will see different sections there. You will see all the videos and photos, basically your gallery. So you click on videos and choose all the videos that you want to add. Say I want to add this and this. And then on the bottom part, click on next. And then just wait for the sounds to be synced. Now, as you can see, the video is already connected to each other. Now, if you want to adjust the clips, on the right side, you will see the text, stickers, effects, filters, and the adjust clips. Click on the adjust clips. And all you have to do is to click on the video and just move the bar here. For example, this one. Just drag it anywhere you want. Say you want to start somewhere there. For this, you want this to be shorter, and basically press on save on the upper right, and that is how you add multiple videos on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.